Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. Let's get into some dividend stocks, guys, because I miss them. Stick around. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It is just after 9:30 in the morning here in Melbourne on Tuesday, the 27th of April, 2021, guys. What an insane couple of days it's been. And just before I get into the video, guys, thank you to every one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I think a lot of people, I think 300 or 400 people subscribed to the channel yesterday, purely based on my Safe Moon investment video. Thank you so much, guys. I really mean that means a lot to me, guys, because this channel just exploded in the last 24 hours. This is a slightly different video, guys. This is dividend investing and something that I've been doing for quite some time now. And you can see here I've built up quite a nice holding here in US dollars. And this is real, guys, and something that I really have a passion for. And those of you who joined my channel in the early days will know how important this is to me, because I love building dividend wealth with every single one of you and building that passive income flow. And guys, if you're new, make sure you like the channel and subscribe. And a little disclaimer, as mentioned in all my other videos, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for fun and enjoyment, guys, and just to show you my journey with dividends and any investment that I'm doing, just to document this stuff. So guys, let's get into my dividend portfolio. I've been going crazy with cryptos the last couple of weeks, and this usually happens with dividend investing. Sometimes you go off the track and you'll go to like some growth stocks, and then you'll go back to dividends, and then you'll go to cryptos and you'll go back to dividends, and then you'll go to real estate and you'll go back to dividends. This happens because you don't want to obviously miss the hype, and you're trying to diversify where you can. So the last couple of weeks I've been into cryptos, guys, and I'm still holding them. I won't sell my positions, whether it be through SafeMoon, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, XLM, all these cryptos. I love them. I'll just let that sit there for the moment while I get back onto my dividends, because this is really important to me, because it is genuinely a true form of passive income, guys. This is very important for generating wealth for the future that compounds over time. So my portfolio, guys, in stake, and if you're new to stake, there's a referral code below, so check that out, guys. And someone signed up last night, and I actually got a free stock in Dropbox, so thank you very much. Now my holding in Dropbox has gone up quite a bit, so if you use that code, we can get a stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike when you fund your account with a minimum of $10 or something. So it's really cool stuff, guys. So take advantage of that if you're new to dividend investing, and in Australia, mind you. So I'm sitting at $21,236.71 USD. That is an awesome level to hit, guys. There has been some awesome returns in the last couple of days, sitting at $157 return on the day, 0.75%, and in total, guys, I'm up 30.74% in my portfolio, guys. 4,992 USD. That is unreal, guys. Obviously the last couple of weeks it's been below that $20,000, if not $19,000. So to see this up around the sorry, drop my pen, around the 21,000 USD mark is insane. And guys, you can see it's pretty much a mixed bag. I've got mainly greens and reds today, but that's to be expected, guys. There's been a lot of stuff happening both with cryptos and the SEC and all kinds of investment things going on with taxes over in the USA, so it is to be expected. Let's just go through and we'll try and find the biggest ones in my portfolio that are in the greens today. Apple's 73 cents, guys. AbbVie 1 cent. AMC is actually up as well, guys. This is incredible. $11 it's actually up, which is amazing to see, guys, considering I bought this at like $7 or $8. So sitting at a total return of $46, 30.71%, guys, and equity is $196, which is awesome. Who knows what's going to happen with that, with the vaccine rolling out. They may open up cinemas a lot quicker, which is really cool. Let's have a look here. AMCR, AMLP. What do we got here? American Express, BB. Don't ask me why I bought BlackBerry. Let's have a look here. Now, in terms of my growth stocks here, I believe these are the ones that are propping. You can see the GoPro shares, guys. I'm now sitting at 12 shares. So thank you to those 12 people that signed up using the referral code. I've had a $55 return. You can't complain about that, guys. So thank you very much. Let's scroll down. to the biggest one in my portfolio today, which is, I believe, Tesla, which is sitting at $738.20, guys. That's my biggest return. And look at that total return, guys, 58%, $1,103. That is awesome. That is really, really cool, guys. And I believe Kathy Woods from ARK Invest is predicting Tesla to be going up to around $7,000 a share. That is insane. Obviously, guys, not with respect to cryptos. I mean, it's really different with the dividend investing strategy that I'm implementing, guys, because when you're buying a dividend stock, you're buying the stock for that dividend and that compounding over time and the growth, the price of the stock to increase as well. So this is a very different form to crypto investing, guys. And obviously I have reinvested some dividends here, guys, so we'll get into that now. And you guys can see that I had reinvested dividends of $13.90 with SPHD. And that got me, guys, 0.31 fractions of a share of SPHD. And if you go to SPHD, guys, this is a monthly dividend payer as well. So we'll go here. I'm sitting at 56 shares of SPHD. Value is $2,490 USD, which is awesome. I've had a total of 23% return. Can't complain about that, guys. That pays me a dividend every single month without fail. And this is why I love dividend stocks, guys. And so we'll go back towards maybe early April, if not the start of April, guys, because I've pretty much have been focusing on dividend stocks. So cryptos. So land, I received a dividend 9 cents, LTC 5 cents, VOO of 88 cents, GPC dividend of 9 cents, NKE, which is Nike, 5 cents, Coca-Cola 8 cents, IMO dividend of 64 cents, EMN dividend of 9 cents, IRM dividend of 48 cents, VCLT dividend of 35 cents, and that got me the ability to reinvest all my dividends. So I got $10.55 of dividends and I bought Realty. TLT dividend of 2 cents, Philip Morris $3.55, and I did deposit in there the Journal $750 there, and I bought SPHD, VYM, Realty, AT&T, EPD, and XOM, which is ExxonMobil. Then I received a dividend of AGNC $1.54, VTR of 7 cents, ERF of 4 cents, PBA at 86 cents, BEN 14 cents, Main Street Capital $1.22, Realty $4.75, STAG dividend of $1.22, WPC of 0.23 cents, Prospect Capital $6.27, guys. Now that dividend, and you can see there's remained at like 6 cents for quite a while now, for more than 12 months. It hasn't really risen, guys, but it has been consistent. So look, as I mentioned, I'm not going to be buying any more into Prospect Capital just because I'm at that level now where I don't want to invest anymore because the stock price really hasn't gone up in terms of any value with their dividend investors. It's remained at a pretty steady level around the $6 to $7 mark. And that dividend hasn't increased as well for a while. So I'm just going to stay at my current position there. And obviously with reinvesting those dividends again, I bought SPHT. So that's where my dividend portfolio is sitting at the moment, guys. $21,236.71 USD, which is awesome. I'm going to go to my Dividend Tracker, guys. This is a really cool app if you're using it. I don't get paid by these guys at all. I should, because I plug the hell out of them. So my annual dividends, guys, are sitting at $936.70. Monthly $78 a month, $2.57 a day, $4.45% is my average yield across my entire portfolio, guys. And I'm due to receive a dividend in one day from BNS of 43 cents, CSCO of 14 cents, GPS of 62 cents. My top 3 dividend payers: ExxonMobil paying me $279 a year, SPHD at $111 a year, and Prospect Capital at $97 a year. And I've reached 31% of my goal for $3,000 a year in annual dividends. So that $3,000 would help a lot, guys, coming in every single year, and that would only increase as well, and I'll get to that in a second. 30.58% is from energy and minerals companies. Dividends receivable this month is $30.15. Now I'd love to see that around the $100 a mark a month, guys. That would be awesome. And more to the point, $150 to $200 a week is what I'd love to see, and that is going to require a substantial investment and focus with this dividend portfolio, guys. So you can see here, $27,386 AUD, and I've had a total return of $6,382, 30.39%, guys. That is awesome. Really cool to see, and it is growing. These are the companies here that I'm holding at the moment. And we'll scroll right down to the bottom. As you guys know, I love doing this. The 10-year chart, I'll have annual dividends of $3,245.25. And in 20 years, guys, let's have a look at this magic number. Portfolio is going to be worth $149,000 and an annual dividend paying me $18,783 a year. Now, that is like $250 to $300 a week off the top of my head. That would really help, support my life and my family and my future and whatever I need to do. That's dividend investing, guys. So it's very different to cryptos, with regards to, putting in a little amount of money, buying it so cheap, for example, like SafeMoon, and having a huge return. That's the gamble you take with cryptos, whereas dividend investing is pretty much you're buying, you're adding to this, and it's growing, and basically money makes money with dividend investing. And I'm sure it does with cryptos, but there's how can I say it? It's a lot more volatile than dividend stocks, guys. I'll tell you that from my experience. And guys, this is my monthly income here. I'm due to receive BNS on the 28th, SJR on the 29th, and GAN is the 30th is the big one for me, and I'm due to receive all these dividends here, guys. So that's pretty cool to see. Anyway, guys, so that is my portfolio, where it stands with my dividends. And guys, I'll be doing a video later on in the week with regards to cryptos, because that is an insane topic, and I just wanted to give all my dividend fans an update with my portfolio and to check in with how you guys going with your dividend portfolios. So guys, let's touch base towards the end of the week. And if you guys have got any other dividend stocks that you're going to be purchasing, I probably will most likely be investing in SPHD and VYM, because I love the indexing at the moment, just because it's safe and secure, and that's something that I'll be doing. But and with anything, guys, make sure you do your research and make sure you're comfortable with investing in a particular company or stock or crypto or whatever. All right, guys, so stay safe, happy investing, and we'll put an update with regards to cryptos towards the end of the week. All right. Peace. Bye. Happy investing. Bye.